morning, Trinity. I hope you're ready for our Catechism question this week, which is our last week. And we'll be moving on to question number 52, the last question in our Catechism. So join with me and look at the words and follow along as we look at question number 52 in the New City Catechism. Question 52. What hope does everlasting life hold for us? That we will live with and enjoy God forever in the new heaven and the new earth, where we will be forever freed from all sin in a renewed, restored creation. In Psalm chapter 16, at the end in verse 11, David is writing, and he's writing about his crying out to God. In verse 1, he says, "Preserve me, O God, for in you I take refuge." And then in the closing, we get a taste of this. We get a taste of what we just recited together. And in Psalm 16:11, David says, "You make known to me the path of life. In your presence there is fullness of joy, and at your right hand are pleasures forevermore." And while we can experience that in part here on earth, what we long for and what we look for is when we can experience that in full, one day as we see Christ face to face. So as we close out our catechism questions and as we close out our year, I pray that that would be a good reminder for all of us that our hope is in Christ and we long for a relationship with Him here now in part and then one day in full. And so with that in mind, let's continue and let's praise and let's sing together.
Thank you, Dr. Dixon, and good morning, Trinity. We thought for our last Catechism and Doxology, we would hear from our seniors, so I invite you to sing along as we sing our Doxology with our senior class. Here's our note. Praise 1, 2, 3.
Praise God from whom all blessings flow. Praise Him, all creatures here below. Praise Him above the heavenly hosts. Praise Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. Amen.
Thank you, seniors, and have a great week.